In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Gcash. We're going to walk through the exact path inside the app so you can submit a proper request and get your account name updated the right way. Start by opening your Gcash app and logging in. From the home screen, go to your profile. This is where you'll find settings and support options related to your account. Next, tap Help to open the support section, then choose Get Help. From there, select Talk to Gigi to launch the in-app assistant. Inside the chat, use the search bar and type Change Name. This will bring up the relevant help guides. Look for the option labeled Update and Manage Account, then select Change My Name. When prompted, tap Update My Account Information. At this point, the app will display the official requirements for a name change. Read these carefully. Typically, you'll be asked for a valid government ID showing your correct name, and if your name changed due to marriage, annulment, or a legal process, you'll need supporting documents such as a marriage certificate or a court order. Make sure the details you plan to submit match exactly with what's on your documents to avoid delays. Once you've reviewed the requirements and gathered your files, tap the button that says something like "Click here to contact support." This opens the form where you'll submit your request. Enter the necessary account details accurately, such as your registered mobile number and your full name as it should appear. Select the reason for your update request, which in this case is changing your name. Attach your files where indicated. Use clear, well-lit images or scans and ensure the entire document is visible, including all corners and any reference numbers or seals. Avoid reflections and blur and double-check that the names and dates are readable. If there's a notes or description field, briefly explain the reason for the change in a straightforward way. When everything looks complete, hit Submit. After that, all you need to do is wait for a notification about your request. Make sure your app notifications are turned on and keep an eye on your text messages or email tied to your Gcash account in case support follows up. Processing times can vary, but submitting accurate details and clear documents helps speed things up. For your security, never share your OTP, PIN, or full card details with anyone during this process. That's it. Follow these steps inside the app, provide the right documents, and you'll be on your way to updating your name on Gcash successfully.